How to create a new TikTok account in 2 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. And now since I've already logged in my account, I'm going to simply log out of this first and then create a new TikTok account. So let's tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. So now tap on settings and privacy. So let's scroll down and tap on log out over here. Tap on logout. As you tap on logout, you'll be able to see the option of don't have an account sign up at the bottom of the screen. So you can simply select on that. So when you want to create a new TikTok account, simply select on the option over here. We have different options. You can either sign up with your phone number or you can continue with Google, email ID or your Facebook. So you can select whichever is more convenient for you. So if I have to write a number, I'm simply gonna put on a random number and then tap on continue. Then you'll have to verify yourself and you'll be able to create a new TikTok account in just 2 minutes. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.